In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable mouse keys on your MacBook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then go down and select System Settings. On the left panel now, select Accessibility. And then on the right side, if you scroll down underneath Motor, select where it says Pointer Control. And then underneath alternate control methods, select where it says mouse keys. If it's toggled to the right and enabled, you just want to go ahead and click inside that oval one time to toggle it off. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.